We know you're going to love living at 1642 King Street East at Howden Street South because
it's in the amazing Delta neighborhood.
Walk to Gage Park, it's just over there.
And
you enter through door 1.
Kitchen number 1.
To bathroom number 1.
Dining room number 1.
And living room number 1.
With this really cool door, bedroom number 1.
Bedroom number 2.
Ensuite bathroom with a skylight.
Laundry number 1.
Entrance number 2.
Kitchen number 2.
Living room number 2 with a gas fireplace.
This is actually bathroom number 3. You thought I was going to say 2, but there's 3 full baths in this place.
Another bedroom, which leaves us 3 bedrooms in this house.
Laundry number 2.
Parking for 2 to 3 cars.
A 4th parking space and an attached garage. We know you're going to love booking an appointment here at 1642 King Street East.
In the Delta neighborhood.
So why don't you call Alex at
905-320-5525 or call Mark at
905-512-1846. We can't wait to hear from you.